Everyone thinks the best-selling folding beach chair is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ostrich Lounge Chair. First up is the Ostrich Lounge Chair. This one's priced around $62.99, and honestly what caught my attention was its unique design that lets you lounge both on your back or face down. If you want ultimate comfort while soaking up the sun, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. The Ostrich chair features a patented open-close face cavity and arm slots, allowing you to lounge comfortably whether you're reading or tanning. The durable aluminum and alloy steel frame ensures it lasts through countless beach trips, and it dries quickly, keeping you cool on hot days. With a solid 4.1-star rating from over 22,000 reviews, it's clearly a crowd favorite. But now some people complained about its weight. At 11 pounds, it's not the lightest option out there. Here's the thing though, if you're after serious comfort, that extra weight contributes to its stability. It's not the best pick if you're looking for something ultralight to carry around, but if lounging is your goal, it excels. This chair is perfect for you if you love sunbathing or reading at the beach. Skip this one if you need something super portable. Considering the comfort it offers, it's a solid investment for your beach days. Now, if the ostrich's weight bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, VINGLI Webbed Folding Chairs. Next is the VINGLI Patio Lawn Webbed Folding Chairs, priced at $57.99 for a set of 2. What caught my eye here is their armless design, which gives you more freedom to move around. If you want a lightweight portable chair for various outdoor activities, this one's worth considering. These chairs are built with durable and breathable web material, ideal for those hot summer days. The higher backrest provides excellent support when you lean back, which is super important when you're lounging for long periods. Weighing only 9 pounds each, they're a breeze to carry and set up, and they fold down to a compact size for storage. With a 4.6-star rating from over 4,100 reviews, they seem to be popular among users. However, some users mentioned they felt a bit flimsy, especially the first time they sat down. But here's the thing, as long as you stay within the 265-pound weight limit, these chairs hold up just fine. If you're going to be using them at the beach or for casual outings, they perform well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile chair for picnics or beach trips. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra sturdy for heavy use. For the price and comfort level, they offer great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something compact and easy to carry. Product number 3, Nice Sea Low Beach Chair. Coming in third, we have the Nice Sea Low Beach Camping Folding Chair, priced at $64.59 for a 2-pack. What really grabbed my attention is the breathable mesh fabric that keeps you cool. If you want a comfortable chair that's easy to transport, this is definitely worth a look. The Nice Sea chair is designed for comfort and portability. It's made from heavy-duty steel and industrial-grade polyester, which can support up to 300 pounds. The low seat design prevents sinking into sand, and the included cup holder keeps your drinks at hand. Setting it up is a breeze, just pull the frame apart and you're ready to go. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from around 8,800 reviews, it's clear it has a lot of satisfied customers. However, some users reported that the lower height made it harder to get in and out of the chair. But honestly, if you're at the beach or a picnic, that low profile can be a lot more comfortable for lounging. Just know that it might not be ideal for everyone. This chair is perfect for beachgoers who prioritize comfort and ease of transport. Skip this one if you prefer a higher seating position. Considering the quality, it's a solid deal for 2 chairs. Now, if the low height is a concern for you, the next chair might just be the answer. Product number 4, WJOY Folding Beach Chair. Next up is the WJOY Folding Beach Chair, priced at $35.99. What struck me about this chair is its thoughtful design for comfort, especially for those with knee issues. If you're looking for a chair that eases pressure on your knees while you relax, this one's worth checking out. This chair features a seat height of 15.7 inches, making it easier to get up and down. The ergonomic backrest and hard armrests provide support and assistance when standing. It weighs only 7 pounds and folds down to a compact size, making it easy to transport. Plus, it comes with a handy back pocket for your essentials. With a strong rating of 4.4 stars from 1,200 reviews, it's definitely getting attention. Now, some people mention the fabric could be a bit thin for their liking. Here's the thing, while it's lightweight, it's designed to be durable and breathable, perfect for hot summer days. Just be cautious if you're expecting a heavy-duty fabric. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight chair that's easy on the knees. Skip this one if you need something super sturdy for heavier use. For the price, it's a great deal for a comfortable, portable chair. Alright, that was a comfortable option. But the last one we're looking at brings a bit more utility to the table. Product number 5, Alpha Camp Camping Chair. Finally, let's talk about the Alpha Camp 2-pack camping chair priced at $50.99. What caught my eye is the built-in cooler bag on the armrest. If you want a chair that keeps your drinks cool while you relax, this is definitely worth considering. This set includes 2 chairs, each with a cooler that holds up to 4 cans. The heavy-duty fabric and reinforced steel frame support up to 250 pounds, so it's built to last. The padded armrests and ergonomic design make it comfortable for long sitting sessions. With a 4.4-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's a solid choice for outdoor activities. However, some users noted that the cooler bag isn't super insulated. Here's the thing though, it's perfect for keeping your drinks cool for a few hours, which is often all you need for a day at the beach or a picnic. This chair is perfect for you if you're looking for something that combines comfort with a little extra utility. Skip this if you need something lightweight, since it weighs around 5 pounds per chair. For the value, this set is a steal for all the features it offers. So there you have it. We covered the Ostrich Lounge chair for ultimate comfort, the VINGLI chairs for versatility, the Nice Sea Low Beach chair for easy portability, the WEJOI chair for knee-friendly lounging, and the Alpha Camp chairs for a cooler experience. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really depends on what you're looking for in a beach chair. Happy lounging!